Dimensions: 20-inch length by 14-inch width by 10-inch height. Color: sage green and beige. Machine washable. Faux suede and faux fur. Filled with extra thick 100% polyfill for maximum comfort. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. Our cat trees, which come in visually appealing materials and hues, blend with any decor. Sturdy bases and foundations support easy-to-assemble structures that are a breeze to put together. Only pet-friendly materials, harmless to pets and their pet parents, are used in fabrication. You can be sure your product is not only well-designed but durable and safely constructed. Additionally, since your cat tree is built to last, you can get replacement parts from the manufacturer whenever, and if ever, they are needed. The Armarkat line of pet beds range from the most practical to the most luxurious. Soft, cozy pet bed covers are washable, resilient and stain-resistant. These models are uniquely designed to provide the best feline or canine lounging experience you will find. And with pet caring service, Armarkat is dependable and fast, dedicated to satisfying all of your pet's climbing, playing and resting requirements. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for a cat who likes to burrow. One of my cats absolutely loves the bed. The front stays open enough that even though he's laid on top of it, he can still burrow in. Most of the time, he sleeps inside the sack. I think it depends on your cat. The one I have that uses it, likes to burrow in or underneath things. The rest of my cats ignore it, but they don't burrow under blankets either. I bought it for the one who does use it and I'm very satisfied with it.